new studio. Who it is? We're just giving it a whirl. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am Britt, creator of The Style Shaker, your guide to greener, cleaner, beauty, skincare, more. And today I am back with a Get Ready With Me. I'm featuring some products that I've recently started testing. So this is kind of like a first impression video. One in particular is a new foundation that just launched. Stick around and let's get into it. I just gua sha'd. That's why my face is very pink here. Going to apply some of this new Skin Dew from One Love Organics. I have it in this little container. This is sort of a lightweight face cream that I've been looking at. I always see One Love Organics and it makes me kind of go, I really want to try that. And yet I never added to cart. So this was a sample, pretty nice sample size, all things considered. Yeah, my skin is just highly reactive today. Not sure why. It's giving me flush, so I'm just gonna go with it. Next is Kinship. This is the Self Reflect SPF. This is pretty transparent. It has probiotic moisturization. I have already been testing this out. I really do like it. You get a sense of the thickness there. It's not heavy. It's also not airy. So for me, this feels like a really great option headed into the colder months where dry skin can be more prevalent. As you can see, there's a little bit of a white cast, but I can't tell if it's a tint or just a little bit of a cast. Kind of feel like it's both. We're just gonna say both. It hasn't irritated my skin yet, and it feels great on. So this is the Aaron's Faces Mineral Sheer Tint. I have this in shade Light. Tinted moisturizer. Ooh, nice. It sort of has the consistency of the Anika BB cream. Holds nicely. It's a denser formula. Creamy, but not too creamy. Okay, the light was a good shade. Ooh. Wow. This is silky and is not sitting on top at all. Toned down the redness. It feels silky without feeling like it's full of silicones. Oh my gosh. This is, I love this first impression. I'm just gonna use the Saint Concealer. I'm not going too heavy. I really like this concealer. It's grown on me quite a bit. Ilia is one that I'd compare it to. Ilia is a bit more slick, a little bit easier to work with, but not much. It's just that more silicone-y type texture. Going in with the Fit Glow Conceal Brush on the other side of BRB. I am also going to use a foundation on top of this, which is not kind of what I would normally do. Ooh, Kjaer Weis foundation. The Kjaer Weis Invisible Touch Liquid Foundation. There she is. Frosted glass, stunning dropper. And you can actually purchase the Kjaer Weis dropper cover. I have this in M222 and I had a tough time. Wow, that is a very, 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 very small, narrow dropper. Looks like it has a yellow undertone. I usually go for neutral to cooler undertones. It's a preference. It's definitely looking more yellow. And I think this was supposed to be more neutral. So let's see how it goes. Ooh, ooh, really pops. Very little bit from the dropper went onto my fingers, and it could be a situation where a little bit goes a long way. There you go. No, I'm just kidding. Let's sponge it. No. It's a kabuki brush instead. This is from Sigma. Sigma, now I can say this, before I wasn't able to say this because I hadn't tried a lot of other brushes. Sigma brushes I tend to really gravitate towards because they're soft, but they're also dense. Others that are too soft and flimsy kind of just don't work for me. They just sort of shove the product around oddly. Okay, good coverage. Let's just try the sponge and see. I didn't use the sponge because I didn't want it to lift up too much product so you could see without shearing it out. Oh, the sponge is a nice call. I'm liking the sponge. It's bringing a little life to it. It got a little dull looking on my skin. Actually did a great job. This is fun. This is from Rustic Maca. This is their Luna Bliss natural deodorant. Me. There you go. That is the deodorant. I got this in a Petit Four box. Whoa. Seems like subtle. Slightly floral. Not bad. No aluminum, no nothing. Should I put it on camera? I mean, at this point, we're close enough. The lights are hot. We'll see if it works. It applied really nicely. I'll give it that. Moving on. That is another product I will be testing this week. I'm going in with, I've had this for a bit. I just haven't done anything with it on the channel. I've always looked at this online and really loved it. I think I already did it in an unboxing. It got a lot of clicks from that unboxing video. This is the Air Perez Beetroot Cheek and Lip Tint. It looks real fun. I just haven't used it and tested it, so I'm gonna do that. This is a lip stain. I have a very light layer of balm just as prep. It's pretty much worn off, so this should go in nicely. Nice. Just a little bit of a flush on the lip. You think it's gonna be a highlighter pink? It's not. I kind of like it. You're gonna have to do a lip scrub before you even think about putting this stain on, because then you'll have that thing, you know what I mean, where it sticks onto the dead skin and it looks horrible. I know that from experience. I mean, it's cute. I want to be more excited by it. I'm not. And then on top of that, I'm going in with the Ilia Balmy Gloss. This is the tinted lip oil from Ilia. This is relatively new. I got this right before I went on my road trip, my 2,000-mile road trip. So I hadn't really had a chance to test it out, but I have this in shade Linger. Doe Foot. Hey Doe Foot, how you doing, girl? Little Doe Foot applicator. Ooh, yeah. I love it. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't look overly shiny. Love using a doe foot as a lip liner. Also really like this color for an everyday color. What do you think? I think it's sort of a nice cross between Dusty Rose and Dusty Rose. Ooh. It feels really nice. It feels incredibly hydrating. We'll see how long these last. I'm gonna leave this out because I might use that as a cheek blusher. The last thing I have is actually a nail polish. This was a weird buy. I went with something from Cure Bazaar. It's a Cure Bazaar Paris. I have this in shade Smoky. It is this soft gray matte color. I'm just gonna apply it really quickly on my thumbnail so you can see. Thumbnail, nothing on it. So I'm just gonna apply this off camera and then show you the after. That's one coat. Actually pretty good. I mean, super streaky, but I've been using a lot of Zoya, the second layer. Pretty good. Now, I'm not gonna do all my nails or else I'll never be able to apply my makeup. We are going to just pull the rest of the look together using some products that I love, that I haven't talked about in a while. Using the Lawless One palette, and I'm gonna go in with their kind of base shades here. They are First Base and Casual. Just to cover, get a base coat here. And I'm going in with the Aether Beauty Amethyst palette. This little beauty, gorge beauty. I'm gonna use Shad Third Eye. That is this right here. More of the purple. I was thinking about this one, but now I'm gonna go with this one. I'm just gonna go in there. Fearless, going for it. Why not? Maybe no one's gonna see this look except everybody on YouTube who is a subscriber. And maybe it'll be featured in a Zoom call that I have for my day job. People will be like, wow, she really got dressed up for work today. I need color in my life. That's nice. That's fun. I love the look of the Aether shadows. I find that they don't stick around for me as much as I'd love them to. I'll just kind of go and get a little bit of a gradient here because I feel like it. That's intense. I'm going to line with the Air Perez Jojoba Eye Pencil. I'm gonna go in with the Lily Lolo mascara. This is their regular mascara, not their Big Lash. I forgot how much I liked this mascara. It's more subtle, defines nicely, adds volume when you don't want massive lashes. I'm just gonna bronze and then add a little bit more of the Air Perez and we will be done. For bronzer, I'm going in with the 100% Pure Cocoa Glow. I love this bronzer because it's warm, but not too warm. And then we'll just finish up with the beetroot, see what we can do. I actually prefer it as a blush more than I do a lip item. Yeah, personally I like this way more. That's it. I'm gonna leave my headband on because I happen to really like it and my hair is being really weird today. And there it is, the completed look. The foundation is looking great still. It really did not need setting, which is kind of amazing because I put a lot of moisturizer on the face. So I will continue testing these products, the Kjaer Weis, the One Love. I will do full scorecard reviews on those. This is the look. I hope you had fun getting ready with me. If you did, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you never miss a thing over here. I'm gonna go put all this away, get back to the test kitchen, and I will see you guys right back here real soon. Until then, bye.